Hello, this is my code. I've organized all the modifications I've done to it in this index listed 1 till 11, and then you can find them with a header and a footer as well across the code. So this is the folder where my file is saved, and this is where the matrix will appear. You can see now there is no CSV file here at all. Now I'm going to run my code. It's asking me for the participant ID. I'm going to type in the number 5 and then enter. This is the instructions screen. And now I'm going to start the task by pressing any key. You can see the words come in different colors, and there's also an oval sometimes. The duration of the fixation point is variable within the parameters that I was given. You can also notice that the screen seems to turn slightly reddish when a red object appears on the screen. I have checked the code and I'm convinced that this is just an optic illusion. Now with this one, I am waiting more than 5 seconds, so I can show that if it takes longer than 5 seconds, then it will assign a 0 on the exclusion criterion. And also I am going to make a mistake on purpose here. Sometimes the words rat, hat, and cat appear like this. So the 4 conditions are the congruent task, the incongruent task, the oval, and these words, the common words. Each of them have 6 trials. So it's the same amount of trials per condition. And at the end, we have this screen where it says, thank you for participating. And it's listing my stats, which are the mean reaction time for each trial, and also the accuracy for each trial. So you can see there's 100% in all of them, except for the incongruent trial, which is where we're going to find this mistake. And because the experiment is finished, I can press any key to exit. And now, if we go back to this folder, you can see there is a CSV file, and the name is struct task, then 5, which is the participant ID I assigned to it, and then today's date. If we open it, we can see all of the columns that have been added, including the exclusion criterion one. And we can see that for this case in which it took longer than 5 seconds, it's assigned a 0. And also because I made a mistake in this one, it's assigned a 0 to the last correct column, which is what I use to be able to determine the accuracy percentage. So thank you. This is my code with almost no mistakes during the task, except for the one that I made on purpose, which I think is pretty impressive. Or maybe not, I've been doing this a lot. Thank you.